Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME GT Neo 5 and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find wallpapers and style. Then let's tap on this wallpaper section, and as you can see here we've got some albums from which we can choose the wallpaper from. At the top we've got also the album option, thanks to which we can enter our own gallery and set our own photo as a wallpaper, and on the other hand at the bottom we've got this option more wallpaper, so we can enter it, and if you will log in into your REALME account, then you will be able to download some beautiful online wallpapers which are free of charge. So in order to change the wallpaper, you have to simply find the wallpaper which you'd like to apply and tap on it. So let me choose maybe this one. It will immediately appear on the full screen, and let's tap on apply to. Now you can decide where you want to set it, so as a lock screen, home screen, or both, and I will choose both options, so let me tap on it, and here you can check the preview of the lock screen and the home screen. Here we've got also an additional option, the color one, so let's simply tap on it twice, and as you can see you can set the colors as your homepage wallpaper, the gradient ones or solid options. It's up to you. You can change the intensity of the specific color. If you prefer, you can still tap on match lock screen and you will have the same wallpaper on both. So now let's tap on apply in the right upper corner. Wait a second. Now we can go back, and as you can see the wallpaper has been applied successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.